Still trying to ignite that happiness factor? Still hoping and praying and wishing to feel better about your day, about your moment, week, month, life? Well, I have a hot Mojo tip today that's going to take you to a new way of thinking about your happiness. Hello, I'm Pamela Silva, the Mojo Maker, back with another hot Mojo tip. So let's talk about happiness. You know, it's something that we hear a lot about, especially if you're on social media a lot. Every other quote is about happiness and how you should be doing happiness and how to think about happiness and where happiness, happiness, happiness. And it's funny because I really don't even think those people have figured out the whole happiness piece at all. I know the ones that get really close to are the ones that say that happiness is a decision and you can be happy at any moment, no matter what circumstances you find yourself in. And we go, huh? How's that possible? To me, and to a lot of people, happiness seems to belong to those people that have a lot of money, they're doing what they want, they have their own business, their time and freedom is theirs to spend how they wish. That seems to be a happy place. That seems to be what happiness is all about. And you know what? It's part of the happy equation, but it's not the central part of it. What happens to everyone else that doesn't have the pile of money, that doesn't have the vacations every other month or working for themselves? They're just living life the best they can. Is happiness an elusive factor in their life? Of course not. It's how we think about it. And happiness is not a destination. Happiness is something that you plug into the moment you open your eyes. How are you starting your day, for instance? What's the process you have in place to start your day? Are you reaching for your cell phone, clicking on social media to see who has a better looking body, to see whose house is nicer, to see what they're eating, to see what car they're driving? And then you start feeling bad because none of those things are true for you. So you've already started off your day with the device of nowhere. You're already in a state of missing out on the goodies and the pleasures of life. So there you go. So now you're feeling bad about yourself. Now you're going to have to go get ready to go to that job you don't particularly like. You're grumpy, you're frustrated. Where's happiness in all that? Happiness is a process. Happiness is something that you decide, you make a plan for it. I know it sounds like work. Happiness shouldn't be work, but unfortunately, happiness is work. Those that tell you it's not haven't take it into the fact that we live in a society where our time just eludes us. So making happiness a process, to me, is the way to go. How do I get happy? Let's talk about me and happiness. Happiness to me is the fact that I get up when the alarm clock goes off at 5. I'm up, I'm out the door with the dog, I'm walking, I'm doing my exercises, I come back, I'm making breakfast, I'm reading, I'm writing, getting ready for work, and I'm doing my videos. By the time 7 o'clock comes, I've done a whole 2 hours of things, and I feel happy for having done those things. I feel in control. It doesn't matter what the rest of my day will be like. I have no control over other people. I have no control over the processes that go on when I leave my home, but I am in control of what I think, what I choose to do, and how I take action. I'm happy because of my process. I'm happy because of the Mojo playbook I put together for my day, my week, my month, my year, my life. Do you have your own personal playbook? Do you have your own set of processes that determine the state of happiness you're currently experiencing? If not, why not? Consider doing that. Don't wait for happiness. Don't try and hijack somebody else's happiness. People don't have that type of bandwidth in their brain to bring happiness to you. They're trying to bring happiness to themselves. So get on board with your own happiness process. Decide the things that will make you happy. Are you working on your dream? Are you getting fit? Are you laughing first thing in the morning? Are you being grateful and praying and giving thanks for the fact that you got off the bed and healthy and happy and going towards happiness that day? If you're not happy, it's your own fault. It's nobody else's fault. It's not your husband, your wife, your kids, your boss, your business partners, the cat down the street. It's nobody else's fault except your own. Stop complaining. Stop bitching and chewing about it. Put a plan for happiness together. Start your day off that way and watch what happens. This is Pamela Silva, the Mojo Maker, back with, didn't I tell you, a hot Mojo tip, right? Visit me on my Facebook page at Pamela Silva Mojo Maker, on Instagram at PamelaSilvaMojoMaker.com, and of course, subscribe to this YouTube channel. And come back for some more hard-hitting Mojo truths. Have a happy, happy day. Bye-bye.